guys, welcome back to my channel Fozia Falak. Today I'm going to share a very interesting trick to control your Android phone or any Android phone from a computer, and in this way you will have more ways to do multitask and you can do more with your PC and Android as well. And believe me, it's a very cool trick to show your friends and family as well. There are multiple reasons for control Android phone from PC. Whether you want to respond WhatsApp messages or want to play games such as PUBG or any other game on PC. But guys, keep in mind that you must have a USB cable to do this process. So let's start the video and enjoy your Android features on big screen. Scrappy is a new app that lets you mirror your Android screen on computer, and believe me, using this app is very simple. So just go to Google, write Scrappy. The link will be available in the description so you can also download. This app is available in both packages like 32-bit or 64-bit, and you can download according to your system specification. Let's say we save it in E drive. Now extract the zip file. Friends, after completing the process, you always need to run this file in order to control your Android on PC. So now we all set in PC, so go to your Android phone. Now the first thing that you need to do is to turn on the developer option in your Android phone. So for this, just go to your phone setting. To enable the developer option, tap on build number several times. You may tap almost 4 to 5 times. And after doing this, you will see a pop-up that will say that developer mode is available. In my phone it is already available. Now again go to setting, click on additional setting. Here you will see a developer option. Click on it, write the code, and now enable the developer option. After doing this, scroll down and enable USB debugging, as I do. Once you have done, just connect the USB cable with your Android phone and computer. Now again go to your Android screen and allow USB debugging. Tap on OK. So if you have done everything correctly, go back to your PC and run this Scrappy file. And here you go. So just look at this screen. You are now able to see high resolution screen of your Android phone to computer screen. Oh my god, just look at the text and typing speed. It's really very smooth. And the video playback has also no latency as well. Just look at the video. And the most interesting part of this video is that you can also play your Android games. And let me show you how. So you want to play Among Us? Do you? Well, this is how it looks on PC. And it's really amazing. So guys, this is how you can control your Android phone for PC, and I hope you all understand. But in case of any query, just tell me in comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And also subscribe the channel so you can stay with me for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.